Hi, so I just wanted to share with you about the Group Marketing Prize. It's a really simple concept, but it's quite often misunderstood and not maximise the benefit of it. So what is the Group Marketing Prize? The Group Marketing Prize is a prize that you offer to your customers to go in the draw to win one of the three prizes. So we traditionally have three prizes, which we draw in December of every year. And throughout the year, you can let your customers and clients know that, hey, we're putting you in the draw to win one of these cool prizes. It's a bit like the Harvey Norman buy a couch and we'll give you steak knives sort of offer. It's the opportunity for your client and customer to get something extra. And every member's customer who wins it is so amazed and stoked, and they become lifelong customers as well. So it's a really good tool for you to let people know about it and to give a small thank you. Now, it's not designed to win you business, though some people use it for that. It's more designed to nurture your customers and give them something for nothing and position you a little bit better. People are always grateful for getting free tickets into a draw to win one of $3,500 worth of prizes. They're pretty stoked by that. So how can you maximise the prize? Well, I'm going to cover that in the next video. But that is what the Group Marketing Prize is. We don't take their numbers, we don't take their email addresses, we will never contact your customers. They're yours. You're just putting them in the draw to win one of these prizes. And it comes from you, not us.